Let's talk about this investment you're talking about, you 1 point something trillion that Africans have to invest in Africa.
Yeah.
Where should they be putting it? Ebu, give me a hint. Where should I put my money right now?
So, I'll start again, a bit of a background. Unfortunately, right now, if you choose to invest, most probably you're going to say you're going to buy a property because that's what's in front of you.
Yes.
But then
that's what we were taught.
That's what we were taught. That's what we grew up with. And I've not even talked of all those real estate that are not generating income. But then we're not seeing the other opportunities. There are very many startups that are coming up, whether tech or not tech, that actually need funding. There are very many SMEs in the market that are coming up. There's a whole lot of private equity funds that are there that you can invest in. Basically, you're giving someone money to invest for you in many other businesses and make a return. That's their professional job. According to the World Bank, the funding gap for SMEs in Africa is $250 billion every year. Basically, SMEs in Africa are lacking $250 billion every year. So if you look around you, there are very many opportunities for you to invest. So whether you want to invest as an angel is just a complex word of saying you're the first one to invest in an idea and a new opportunity. Then you can choose to invest in that. You can choose to also invest in our stock markets. Those are opportunities. We've seen how it's been running. You can choose to invest in the local funds that are there. But the thing is, all these funds need to start coming back and investing ultimately in local African businesses, infrastructures, and entrepreneurs.
If I've got an idea or a really good concept, can I bring it to Africa?
Yes, you can. So when you come to Africa, you're going to get now the other businesses that support ideas like yours. For example, there is a platform that we run, capitalconnect.africa, and it will help you be able to see which are the investors I can talk to. What should I do before I even start talking to any investors? So coming to Africa, you're going to now get all the practitioners who typically will be able to support you when it comes to your idea, your startup, your SME that's doing well or not doing well. And allow me to give a really good example of Africa investing in Africa. Recently, KCB has just announced a transaction into PesaPal, which I'm proud to say as Raisin Capital, we advised on that transaction. And that is a real example of KCB, an African business, investing in PesaPal, an African business. That is the most ideal example of we need to invest in African businesses. Now, the thing is, very many investors would have been interested in that, but also very many investors will probably have been bringing funding from outside, meaning the value will not have stayed within
Africa.
Yes.